Anything good? It looks healthy.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna go have some pizza. So, if you can't tell, it's kind of raining. It's raining lightly, so I'm still gonna go to Johnny's. I don't really need anything. I just want to scope out the area, see what they have for inventory, because I'm gonna be looking through the auction this week and see if there's anything there that I could possibly get all my parts from. So, yeah, we're gonna go scope out the area. I'm gonna take the drone, but I don't think it'll be flown because of the rain. If it continues to rain, I will be using my GoPro, taking that along. Alright, so I'm taking my tools along with me, but I really don't think I'm picking up anything. It's actually raining pretty good, and I'm hoping that it calms down while I'm up there. But that also means there won't be that many people there. At least I don't think there will. A lot of people don't like to go there when it's raining because it is a mud hole. I will say that. So, I should wear boots. I really should wear boots. I think I'm gonna go put my boots on. Second gear roll. Oops. Now you've been cooped up in your house for how long now? You gotta get out, do something. Call your local pick and pull yards and see if they're open. Johnny's U Pull It is open. What better place to do some social distancing than at a U Pull It yard? Whether there's a social distancing in place or quarantine or anything like that, you should not be right next to somebody at a U Pull It yard. You should, whether there's a distancing in effect or not, there should be distance. You shouldn't be working right on top of somebody else. Okay, so I made it to Johnny's. It's sprinkling right now. It's not raining real hard. So I'm going to go in. I'm going to go to the import yard first and maybe go down the domestic yard. I'm not even going to take any tools. I just want to do some videoing. I'm not going to fly the drone just because of the rain. And also I didn't bring my SD card. It doesn't matter anyways when you're going to fly it, so that's no big deal. So I'm going to take the GoPro in because it can get wet and not break like this camera. And so it can get wet and not break like this camera. So let's go ahead in and take a look around.
just a backseat driver flying undercover. A nice suit and a family name, says he'll make me a star if I just play the game. But that man doesn't know that I am bulletproof. Keep one foot on the sky and a foot on the roof. I'm not doing this to try to make a name. I just like the way it feels on it, the way it looks on me. Still got the fire when you try to be a flood, 'cause I like the way it feels on it. That little rush, rush, rush of blood. I hear your secrets, I know your plans. Ain't no way out without your blood.
Oh, they didn't get a mileage readout on this one because it's digital.
For the businessman. I'm not doing this to try to make a name. I just like the way it feels on it, the way it looks on me. Still got the fire when you try to be a flood, 'cause I like the way it feels on it. That little rush, rush, rush of blood. That rush of blood. I'll use it for good. That rush of blood. I'll use it for good. Throwing hundreds in the holy water, just a backseat driver flying undercover. Different faces, but they're always the same. Say they'll make you a star if you'll just sign your name. But that man doesn't know that we are bulletproof. Keep one foot on the sky and a foot on the roof. I'm not doing this to try to make a name. I just like the way it feels on it, the way it looks on me. Still got
All right, so I got a good view of everything that's up here in the import lot. So now I'm gonna move down to the domestic lot and walk around. There's so many Civics and Subarus here, but 9 out of 10 of the Subarus, the motor's pulled on them already. They're so easy to pull that people get here as quick as they can and pull the engines. Here's one. I bet you that engine's bad. No key, no test. Oh, it's got 211,000 miles, so honestly, you could probably pull that, put a new timing belt in it. Good motor, probably with that many miles. But yeah, check that old Jag out. That's different. There's a lot more newer cars here this time, like that hybrid Honda right there. And there's a bunch of newer Hondas and Subarus and all kinds of stuff down here.
I lift my head, say a prayer for a righteous man. I bow my heart for the woman I will meet his hand, and for the children of a lost man. They're drinking dirty water, choking on your words, poisoned by the well that you got them drinking from.
Now, I should have covered something at the beginning. I missed it. They missed it real quick. If you come to Johnny's right now, currently, you have to wear a mask. It's just to comply with the CDC's guidelines. But yeah, I'm trying to cover like some of the interesting vehicles because there is just too many down here in the domestic yard for me to cover all of it. So just trying to cover some of it, some of the rare vehicles, some cool vehicles, just to give you an idea what's out here.
from. They're drinking dirty water, drinking dirty water. Feeding them lies, feeding them lies, feeding them lies, feeding them lies. Oh. Sticks and stones are breaking bones. The words are killing souls. Sticks and stones are breaking bones. You're killing everyone you love. Sticks and stones are breaking bones, but your words are killing souls. Sticks and stones are breaking bones, but you can't see their hearts. No, you can't see their hearts. I know you're blinded by your hate. I know you're blinded by your fate. They're drinking dirty water, drinking dirty water. You're feeding them lies, feeding them lies. They're drinking dirty water, drinking dirty water. You're feeding them lies, while you're dying inside, dying inside. Oh!
Sebring, it's Chrysler Sebring.
Please stop talking.
All right, guys, so there you go. That's Johnny's right now. I stopped and talked to him. It's always nice to talk to him. But it's good to see those guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It gives me some ideas of what's here, what I can get parts for, like currently. Yeah, the options are out there. None of those old cars. I ain't getting nothing like that because they are like true year-round projects, and I want to do a quick one right now. So, yeah, it's good to walk around. It's a good way to social distance yourself from others and still get out of the house and have fun. So that brings us to the end of this episode. So, if you guys enjoyed the walk around, hit that like button. Consider subscribing. Go check out my merch on my Teespring page on the bottom or on the side. If your wife won't let you go play in a junkyard, hit that dislike button. And as always, we'll see you on the next episode of Unwrapped.
Now there ain't nothing to it. Go ahead and bring Goliath-on. Ain't no giant, I ain't gon' fire on. Catch a fade, you I'm wrong, I'm gone. Y'all can catch the wave that I am on. I am icon, y'all are wide wrong. Think that I'm a reconcile bonds. Ain't nothing to it though. This is on me, ain't got much to do with who you know. Keeping it true to form 10 L's into a milli though. But they already knew that those farewell to your opinions. Know that he is something. This is all me, ain't got much to do with who you know.